Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave and this is my Toyota Altezza. What are we doing today, Dave? Well, I really did used to dread this, and now honestly I'm a little bit worried, but not very much. It's still a pain in the ass, but it's not as bad as what it was. Okay, taking that off. Take this off, switch it for aluminium and see how it goes. I do like the plastic though, not gonna lie. Does it fit? Yes. You gotta admit the aluminium does look nice, but look at the height difference. That's not ideal, is it? This is just a piece of sandpaper taped to a piece of glass. It wasn't flat, we know that, look at that. So anything you get done in aluminium will need to be surfaced. I have heard that though, that you need to add like 0.5 millimeter worth of material so that you can surface it. But it does take away some of my confidence in like 3D printing with aluminium, because is it really 0.5 mil? Like if you want stuff to be perfect, you're gonna have to machine it after you've had it printed. Was this edge perfectly perpendicular to this one? Who knows? I might, like, doing this gives me the average of all the surfaces, but it's not going to level it to this. Luckily, this is only a dust cap, and it doesn't actually matter whether this is flat or not. It just has to fit. But again, I'm thinking maybe plastic is the way to go. Like, if the plastic doesn't melt, why go to aluminium? I can see marks here where they potentially used like a file or something on it, perhaps to remove the support material, and that will take away from the accuracy from here to here. So that's not ideal either. This might be a bust for aluminium parts. Stick to plastic maybe. Look at that. I know for a fact that the distance from here to here and here to here is the same on my drawing, and it's the same from here to here the whole way around. So when you put this on here and you see such a gap, look at this, that should not happen. See how that's polished and shiny? When I put this on, I can see the shine from that through there, which means that we're not connecting with this edge anymore. That's not the problem. Yeah, this is not ideal. If the plastic doesn't melt, stick with plastic. This stuff's got a fairly bloody high resistance to temperature. What's the chance that the ambient temperature around this hits 100 degrees? What's the chance that this throttle body gets to 100 degrees? I'd say that's fairly unlikely. Maybe I need to go with an even stronger plastic, but I think plastic is the way to go over aluminium. The wind noise, Dave, the wind noise, yeah, but it's 1,000 degrees outside. I need the fan. Maybe all this footage is unusable and I need to do voiceovers the whole time. Okay, how easy is this? There we go. And then line up the butterflies. Push it in. It is straight. Do it up. Quick visual inspection that there's no plastic left behind. Okay, cool, easy.